So, hi guys, welcome to my mini vlog. So, may bumili sa akin ng 20 pesos. So, let's pack it. First is sanitize. Hindi mo makita. So, ayun guys. Ang first natin is photo card. 1, 2. Dalawa lang guys. And sticky notes. And 2 highlighter. And 1 sticker. And ipid. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. And 1 Mickey Mouse. And 1 and 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gulo-gulo na to. So, ito. And isang barrel. And garter. Two sticker. Roll sticker siya guys. And 1 clip. And 1 bracelet. And 1 ring. So, wait lang guys. Ayusin ko lang to at magbabalik ako. At ito na siya lahat guys. So, 2 photo card, 5 Grow a Garden photo card, and 5 ipet, and 2 clips, and 1 clips, and ayun lang guys. Bye bye.